Translation, Surah 22, Ayat 37. Neither their meat nor blood reaches Allah. Rather, it is your piety that reaches Him. This is how He has subjected them to you so that you may proclaim the greatness of Allah for what He has guided you to, and give good news to the good doers. Explanation. This prescribes a very important condition for the sacrifice made in the worship of Allah. A sacrifice is acceptable to Allah only if it is accompanied by piety and sincerity. Though sacrifice is a symbol of Allah, yet it has been made plain that it is accepted only if it is accompanied by piety, saying, "Neither their meat that reaches Allah nor their blood, but what reaches Him is the piety from you." This was also meant to condemn the ritual of the days of ignorance, when the Arabs took the flesh to the Kaaba and smeared its walls with the blood of the sacrificed animal. That you may glorify Allah at the time of sacrifice verbally, also in order to acknowledge that the animals really belong to Allah and to no one else. One of the sentences uttered at the time of sacrifice is, "O Allah, this animal is thine and is presented to thee."